Welcome to the topic Usage of Instagram. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify the primary functions and purposes of Instagram, describe the role of Instagram in information dissemination, content creation, and social interaction within online communities, utilize search tools on Instagram to find specific information and content. You will also be able to create and share simple content formats. Let us get introduced to Instagram as a photo and video sharing platform. Instagram is a social media app that allows you to share photos and videos. It was launched in 2010 and has experienced massive growth since then. Let's look at the key features and functionalities of Instagram. You can easily snap and share photos and videos of your experiences, hobbies, or anything you find interesting. You can capture special moments and share them with loved ones. Not only this, you can express yourself creatively through visual storytelling. You have the option to explore and discover new content based on your interests. You can follow friends, family, celebrities, brands, and creators you admire, and discover new trends, places, and hobbies through the Explore page. You can connect and interact using like and comment feature. You can like and comment on posts from people you follow, send private messages to chat with friends directly, and participate in conversations and build relationships with others. You can disseminate information using visually appealing infographics to share information. Also, you can share news updates and important announcements using stories and Instagram TV, IGTV. You can create and share photos, short videos, and reels and influence marketing through brand collaborations and promotions. The comments and direct messages features provide a platform for direct interaction with followers. The live sessions feature facilitates real-time interaction with audiences. You can disseminate information using visually appealing infographics to share information. Also, you can share news updates and important announcements using stories and Instagram TV, IGTV. You can create and share photos, short videos, and reels and influence marketing through brand collaborations and promotions. The comments and direct messages features provide a platform for direct interaction with followers. The live sessions feature facilitates real-time interaction with audiences. Let's look at the impact of Instagram as a tool to promote your business or product or services. Instagram is a valuable tool for businesses and entrepreneurs, providing opportunities for reaching new audiences and promoting products and services. It can be used as a platform for brand awareness and storytelling, customer engagement and community building, and direct sales. For brand awareness and storytelling, you can create visually appealing profile that reflects brand identity. For this, you can use high-quality photos and videos to showcase products or services, and also tell a brand story through engaging captions and Instagram stories. For customer engagement and community building, you can respond to comments and messages promptly, run contests and giveaways to generate excitement. You can also partner with influencers to reach a wider audience. For direct sales, you can utilize Instagram shopping features to showcase and sell products directly within the app. You can also run targeted ads to reach potential customers based on demographics and interests, and track your results and measure the impact of your Instagram marketing efforts. To get started using Instagram, you need to have an account. Let us know how to create an account. You can go to Play Store and search for Instagram. Tap on Install to download the app. After the app is downloaded and installed, tap on the Instagram icon to open it. On the login screen, tap on Create New Account to create a new account. Next, Instagram will ask you to enter either your email address or phone number. Choose whichever you prefer and enter it into the provided field. Then tap Next. You'll receive a verification code via text message. Enter the code on Instagram to verify your phone number. Tap on Send Code. In the next page, create a password. Tap Next. Enter your date of birth, then tap Next. In the required field, enter your name. Then tap Next. Now, you can now create a username. This is the name which will be displayed on your profile. Tap Next. Tap I agree to Instagram's terms and conditions. It's always recommended that you read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Add a profile picture which would make it easier for your friends to search for you. Tap Skip if you wish not to add a profile picture. Now, you have successfully created your Instagram account. The next step is to add the contacts to your account. To add your contacts to Instagram, you can use the app's built-in contact syncing feature. To sync your contacts who are on Instagram, tap Next. Tap Skip if you don't want to sync your contacts. If you want to add contacts from your Facebook, tap Continue. Tap Skip to proceed further. Now you're all set up. You can start following accounts you're interested in, like and comment on posts, and share your own photos and videos. Posting on Instagram is a very good experience as it is a simple tool to use. To create a new post, tap on the plus icon. You can select an existing image from your photo library or take a picture using Instagram's built-in camera. Then tap Next. To edit your videos or photos, Instagram provides various editing options like filters, adjustments, and more. Tap Edit to edit your video. Tap Next after you have finished editing. Tap on Write a caption to write a description about your post. You can also use hashtags to make your post discoverable to more people. To tag someone, tap Tag People. Select the person's username from your followers list. You can also add a location to your post. Tap Add Location and select the location of the video. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap the Share button. Your post will be shared to your Instagram feed for your followers to see. To record a video, tap the camera icon on the right side of the screen to record a new video. You can hold down the circle button on the bottom of the screen to record your story. An Instagram story is a photo or short video that disappears after 24 hours. When you're finished recording, remove your finger from the button. Tap the Share button at the bottom right of your screen to share with followers. Similarly, you can also make a reel. A reel is a short video shared on Instagram, typically between 15 to 90 seconds. That's it. You've successfully posted on Instagram from your mobile phone. Enjoy sharing your moments with your followers. Is it possible to search for people or content? Yes, you can search Instagram for people or content. Tap the magnifying glass icon to go to the Search tab. You'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it, then type in what you're looking for. It could be a username, hashtag, or even a place. For instance, we searched for garden ideas. Instagram will list all the relevant searches in various tabs. In case you searched for any tags, your search will include images with that tag. Instagram also provides you suggested videos under the tab for you. That's it. You've successfully searched on Instagram using your mobile phone. Now you can use this feature to find people, hashtags, and places that interest you. While scrolling through posts, You can also follow someone you like. To follow a profile, tap Follow. A request is sent to the account. You may need to wait for them to accept your request. In the module, you learn to identify the primary functions and purposes of Instagram. You utilize the search tools on Instagram to find specific information and content. You also learn to create and share simple content formats. Thank you.